Welcome back to our channel. Let's get to know more about the secret of good health from Japan's oldest doctor. In today's video, we'll be sharing with you some very important points that we have learned from one of the leading doctors of Japan, who has been practicing and researching on longevity and good health for over 40 years. We will also let you in on a little secret that this doctor has shared with his patients to help them sleep better and strengthen their brains before bed. So make sure to watch till the end to find out what it is. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's meet Japan's oldest doctor. Dr. Morita is widely recognized as one of the leading authorities on longevity and healthy aging in Japan. He is the author of several best-selling books on these topics and has appeared on numerous television programs as an expert on healthy living. Dr. Morita's approach to health and wellness is based on traditional Japanese medicine, which emphasizes the importance of balance, harmony, and natural therapies. He believes that the key to living a long and healthy life is to live in harmony with nature, eat a healthy diet, and practice regular exercise. In recent years, Dr. Morita has become particularly interested in the role of nutrition in healthy aging. He has found that certain foods can help to improve cognitive function, boost the immune system, and reduce inflammation, all of which are important for maintaining brain health as we age. One of the most important things that Dr. Morita teaches his patients is the importance of eating a healthy diet. He recommends eating plenty of fruits and vegetables, as well as lean protein and whole grains. He also advises against consuming too much sugar, salt, or saturated fat. In addition to eating a healthy diet, Dr. Morita also recommends getting regular exercise. He believes that exercise is essential for maintaining both physical and mental sharpness as we age. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Some of the best forms of exercise for brain health include swimming, biking, and yoga. Another important tip that Dr. Morita shares with his patients is the importance of stress management. He teaches them how to practice deep breathing exercises and mindfulness meditation to help reduce stress and improve focus. By following these tips, Dr. Morita's patients are able to improve their overall health and well-being and reduce their risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and dementia. Now that we know a bit about Dr. Morita and his approach to health and wellness, let's dive into some of the most important things that he has discovered about healthy aging and brain health. Did you know that there are certain foods that can actually improve cognitive function? These are known as brain foods, and they are packed with nutrients that can help keep your brain functioning at its best as you age. One of the best brain foods is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. Another great option is nuts and seeds like walnuts, almonds, and chia seeds. These are high in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that can help protect the brain from damage. Eggs are another excellent source of brain food. They are high in choline, which is a nutrient that is essential for brain health. And if you're a vegetarian, don't worry. There are plenty of great brain foods available to you. For example, spinach and other leafy green vegetables are high in folate, which is a B vitamin that is important for brain function. It's not just about what you eat, though. It's also important to avoid certain unhealthy foods that can negatively impact your brain health. One of the worst things for your brain is processed meat. This includes things like bacon, sausage, and deli meat. Processed meat is high in sodium and saturated fat, which can contribute to cognitive decline. Another food to avoid is sugary drinks. These include things like soda, juice, and sweetened teas. Sugary drinks can lead to weight gain and inflammation, both of which are bad for your brain. So what does Dr. Morita recommend for those looking to improve their brain health through diet? He suggests eating a Mediterranean-style diet. This diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like those found in olive oil. It's also important to limit your intake of red meat and processed foods. By following a Mediterranean-style diet, you can provide your brain with the nutrients it needs to stay sharp and focused. Did you know that there are certain herbs and supplements that can also help boost brain function? There are many different herbs and supplements that are commonly used to improve brain function. Some of the most popular ones include ginkgo biloba, which is an herb that is often used to improve memory and cognitive function. Studies have shown that ginkgo biloba may help increase blood flow to the brain, which can lead to improved cognitive performance. Another supplement that is often used for brain health is omega-3 fatty acids. As we mentioned earlier, omega-3 south are important for brain health, and supplementation can be a great way to increase your intake of these healthy fats. And finally, there is turmeric, which is a spice that has been used for centuries for its anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that turmeric may help improve mood and cognitive function. However, it's important to note that not all herbs and supplements are right for everyone, and it's always best to speak with your healthcare provider before taking any new supplements. If you're interested in learning more about herbs and supplements for brain health, we encourage you to do your own research and speak with a qualified healthcare provider. We have discussed a lot about what we can do to boost our brain function naturally. But now, let's move towards something that Dr. Morita considers to be the most important tip for improving brain health. Are you ready? Before we reveal the last tip from Dr. Morita, let's take a moment to appreciate the power of the mind. Our thoughts and beliefs have a profound impact on our health and well-being, and that is why it is so important to cultivate a positive mindset. When we are positive, we are more likely to take care of ourselves and make healthy choices. We are also more resilient in the face of adversity and better able to cope with stress. So what can we do to cultivate a positive mindset? One of the most effective techniques is to practice gratitude. When we focus on the things that we are grateful for, we are less likely to dwell on the negative. Try keeping a gratitude journal and writing down a few things that you are grateful for each day. Another powerful technique is to use positive affirmations. When we repeat positive statements to ourselves, we begin to believe them. This is a great way to reprogram your subconscious mind and overcome negative beliefs. Choose affirmations that are specific, positive, and actionable. For example, instead of saying "I am healthy," say "I am full of energy and vitality." Finally, don't forget the power of visualization. When we visualize ourselves achieving our goals and living our best life, we create a clear roadmap for our minds and bodies to follow. This is a great way to stay motivated and focused on what you want to achieve. Now, it's time for the big reveal. The last tip from Dr. Morita that he shares with his patients is to drink a cup of warm milk before bed. But wait, don't dismiss this idea as silly or old-fashioned. There is real science behind this simple habit. Warm milk contains compounds called tryptophan and L-theanine, which have a calming effect on the body. This can help you relax and prepare for a restful night's sleep. In addition, warm milk also contains vitamin D, which is important for brain health. Vitamin D helps regulate neurotransmitters in the brain, which are responsible for mood, sleep, and cognition. However, it's important to note that not all milks are created equal. Dr. Morita recommends drinking only natural, unprocessed milk from grass-fed cows. These types of milk contain higher levels of nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid, which have been shown to have a variety of health benefits. If you're a fan of flavored or sweetened milks, you may be disappointed to learn that they do not provide the same benefits. That's because the added sugars and artificial flavors can interfere with the calming effects of tryptophan and L-theanine. So if you want to enjoy a cup of warm milk before bed, make sure it's 100% natural. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about some of the most important things from Japan's oldest doctor. Remember to always nourish your body with the best foods. Be mindful of your thoughts and consider adding a cup of warm milk to your bedtime routine. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.